Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing great and having an awesome day. So today I'm here with a review video of this product which is Eco. So you guys probably might be looking out for a review video on this product and that's why you guys are here today and would say that you're at the right place. So Eco is a brand new software which siphons free wild traffic from the existing YouTube video and let you earn the commissions without creating any of the content, and it's a 100% cloud based app. You can legally siphon off the most viral YouTube videos and grab the whole traffic pool to your own affiliate link, and it's 100% legal and 100% beginners friendly. And if you guys are already doing online marketing, then you all must be knowing that how important it is to get the traffic in order to make some money online, as traffic is the lifeblood of any online business or side hustle, and if we are not able to get the traffic, one might not be as successful as he or she wants to be. So this is how the product Eco is going to help the people who are struggling to get some free traffic. So if this sounds something that you guys are interested in, then stick with me till the end of this video, because I'll be revealing everything about this product and also the free bonuses that you guys can have access to from my side, which are absolutely for free for those people who like to pick this product up from my link, which is down below in the description box of this YouTube video. And before we start this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions. So as you guys can see, I'm already at the sales page of the Eco, which says in just one click, revolutionary software delivers wave after wave of buyer traffic and generate 24/7 sales on autopilot. So cash in with no technical skills required, even if you are a complete beginner with no experience or website. You guys can watch this intro video by yourself, and as I said earlier, it's a 100% cloud based app. You would be able to drive unlimited free traffic. No content creation is required. One click sends traffic over and over again. It's a 100% legal and ethical. No ethical practices will be used in, and it's a 100% beginners friendly. So this product is getting launched today, that is 17th of September at 10 a.m. EST, which is today. So please make sure that you guys go and grab this offer as soon as possible, which is at a very low cost right now. And I'll be talking about the prices and the different OTOs in short period of time. And over here are some of the people who tried out this product, and these are the results they got. They are basically the beta testers, what I can say. And here are the three simple steps that you guys have to follow in order to make it happen. So the step number is to set up your profile, where you have to simply add some few details and your affiliate ID in order to make sure that you get paid. Step number two is to select a niche. You guys can select one niche from the list of high converting niches that they will provide to you and start creating the content. Step number three is click for traffic. Click one button and Eco will set up 20 plus wild traffic sources that delivers waves of traffic to your sources, and that's it. You guys just have to follow these three easy simple steps and you're ready to go. And this is the guy Sean Josia who came up with this product, and I would like to appreciate him for what he's trying to do in order to help the people who are struggling to get traffic. So the sales page is quite long. There's a lot of information and you can go through all this by yourself. Link is in the description box, and I won't be able to read everything. There are also some of the bonuses that you guys can have access to, also some discount, and also my bonuses on top of that for free. So now I'll show you the quick demo video regarding how this product works, and then we'll talk about the front end price of this product and the different OTOs that you can get with it.
Video I'm going to go through how to use our brand new software Echo. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is to create a campaign. Okay, in create a campaign, you create new campaign over here, and you'll be brought to this page to select a niche. Alright, so as we are all in the make money online niche, I'm going to select MMO, right, make money online. Here you have the top 5 niche of the internet marketing industry all preloaded here for you. So first of all, you want to click on this MMO, make money online, and you want to give it a title. So this title is going to be reflected in the last page over here, and let's just call this work from home jobs. Okay, and in the description I've already pre-loaded and one of the descriptions here, and I'm just going to paste it over here. Okay, so here's my description for the make money online campaign. Text is MMO retargeting. Here you can put any retargeting keywords that you want to use. Here, number of products, I'll just put 4. Okay, and it's going to be reflected here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I'm going to go ahead to click on next. Okay, next I'm going to give this campaign a name. Alright, so it's just going to be work from home campaign. Okay, and the video source is going to be YouTube. So what this software does is it allows you to go to YouTube to search for the most highly popular video and to use that video to siphon all the traffic from there into your page. So I'm going to head over to YouTube and I'm going to key in make money from home here. You see that? I'm going to key that in because that's relevant to my campaign, and I'm just going to look for a video with really high views. Okay, so let me just scroll down and let's take a look at this one. 9.8 million views, 10 legit ways to make money and passive income online. I'm going to click on this video. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to grab the URL of the video. Okay, and I'm literally going to start getting in traffic from this viral video. So I'm just put the URL here. Okay, once it's done, you can see it appearing here. Alright, I'm going to click on next. And here I'm going to select a product. So we have pre-installed the Make Money Online products. Alright, in this case, we have pre-installed them. And I'm going to select the offer from ClickBank. So first one is Perpetual Income 365. I'm going to put it there. The prices are all there. And your affiliate links are all here. Okay, it's all integrated based on the integrations before over here in this tab. Alright, once this is done, I'm going to click on the second product. I'm going to select the second product from ClickBank that we have pre-installed. And it's all here with your affiliate links. I'm going to go to the third product. I'm going to click on Social Paid Jobs. This is another pre-installed product that I've selected. Okay, so you can see here it's all reflecting here. Next, I'm going to click on the last product, and this is called Work From Home Jobs, and you can see it's also reflected here. Once that's done, I'm going to click on next. Alright, now it's time to edit your player. So you see this bar over here, that's the bar of the player. So I can select the color. So maybe I want it to be a bit orangey. There you go, it changes to orange. I'll leave control bar there. Here you can select whether you want to autoplay or not. Right? Here I can choose the size of the text. Okay, you see all these texts here. I can choose the title. I can change the title's size, make it smaller, make it bigger. I can choose the title color. Okay, I can choose the price. You see the prices there. Okay, I can change the prices color and the size of the price as well. The call to action button here, learn more. I can actually change the text, change the button color and all that stuff. Alright, I'm just going to leave it as default over here, and I'm just going to go on to sharing. Here I can choose to turn on all the social shares. You see that? So I'm going to click on yes for all of them. All the social shares are here. Okay, and for the brand, I can choose to put it on. I can choose to add it in. You see, once you put it on, there's going to be a logo over here, and this logo can be a logo of your choice. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to remove it. Alright, and I'm going to click on next. Alright, so this is a brand new feature that we've added in as well. So here you can actually choose to select your opt-in box, or you can choose not to have the opt-in box in, and based on your integrations of the autoresponder, you can select your list. Alright, select autoresponder. You can give the opt-in box a name. You can give it a color, put a call to action. You can also customize how many seconds do you want the opt-in box to appear, how many seconds after do you want it to disappear, and the position of the box. Okay, because I haven't integrated any GetResponse account yet, so in this demo video I'm going to leave this out, but you can actually do it, and you can actually start capturing leads as well. Alright, so this is another amazing tool that we have added. I'm going to click on next, and here I'm going to just preview the very simple page that I've created with this software, and I can literally use any videos from YouTube that are viral to start capturing leads or to start bringing people to affiliate links that belongs to me. Okay, so here when I click on this first icon, I can actually embed this entire video into any of my blogs. So if I've got a website, I can embed this video into my website. Alright, I can just simply copy the code and embed it in. So if I want to share the page itself, I can simply click on this icon here, and it's going to bring me to the page that I've just created. So you can see here it's all functioning. All you need to do is to click on play, and your viewers, they will be able to see this video here that you have selected. That's the title over there. Social sharing links are on the side. Okay, and you can see every single of these products that you have selected. It's all here. So what you can do with this software is it's very simple and it's very amazing. You can select any viral video out there that's already proven to convert on YouTube, and you can literally hijack their traffic by sharing this page instead of the YouTube video to your subscribers or to your audiences, and you will be able to get traffic and get them excited over the video. At the same time, they will be able to make a selection of product that they want to purchase. So you can basically click on here, and when you click on this link here, learn more, it's going to bring you or bring your subscribers or bring your readers to this product that's on ClickBank, and this product is tagged to your affiliate link. So you're going to start generating sales with proven traffic or with proven sales pages. Okay, and another thing you can use on this software is also you can select YouTube videos that are review videos in nature. So you can select other people's review videos that they have done, and you can start siphoning off the traffic from there and pushing them to your affiliate links. Right, so how cool is that? Okay, so here you can see that this is the description that you have typed in previously, and here there's social shares as well, and you can also type in comments, and all these comments are going to stay there. It's a way of social proof as well. Okay, so feel free to grab hold of this. And next up, if you want to start echoing your traffic and sharing it to over 60 different social platforms, you can simply go to echo your traffic. You can select the campaign that we have done. So that's going to be work from home campaign, and you can literally select from all of the social sharing sites that we have provided for you. So if you want to click on, let's say, Facebook, you just have to select Facebook, and you can start sharing this link that we have created in your Facebook profile. Okay, and that's where you can start siphoning off traffic into proven videos that other people have done for you to start making commissions, and people are going to start sharing this link or this video because it's proven to go viral, and that's where your traffic echoes on forever and ever. Okay, so that's all I have for this demo. I hope that this demo has been useful. Go ahead, if you would like to grab hold of this product, go ahead and click on any link around this page. Alright, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care.
So I hope you guys must have gone through it. Let's check out the pricing now. As you guys can see, what you are going to pay for Eco is only $17. Yes, it's at a very reasonable price right now, and also you are getting 30 days of money back guarantee. There are no hidden fees included, which means that your money is not going anywhere. Don't worry about your money, zero risk on your part. You can check it out and return if you didn't like it. So hurry up and get this offer, because it might be possible that if you guys come later on, then the price may go up. So it's an early bird price, so make sure to show up fast on the sales page, and also make sure to go for the pop-up to get an additional discount of $4 once you come on this sales page. Let's check out the OTOs that you guys can get. So the OTO number one is going to be the unlimited campaign, which is worth of $47, and there is also a downsell of $37. That means that they must have taken down something in $37 price. So it would be good for you guys that if you go directly for the $47 price. So this upgrade lets you remove all the limits in the front end, unlock additional features to dominate, run unlimited eco sites, and supercharge results up to 100x. One time offer number two is the done for you campaign, which is worth of $297, and again there's a downsell of $197. And this upgrade gives your customers a hand-free experience where they set up everything for them, including done for you products and 5 fresh done for you campaigns in top niches, done for you bonuses, done for you SEO optimization, setup, and general fine-tune of sites. One time offer number 3 is the high ticket maximizer, which is worth of $97, and again there's a downsell of $47. So this upgrade equips customers with the how to get high ticket commissions. Simply plug and play the pre-selected high ticket items to make $1K commission per sale. One time offer number 4 is the traffic booster, which is worth of $167, and there's also a downsell of $67. So this upgrade allows customers to ride on the traffic sources and insights to get more traffic from the internet. Offer number 5, the reseller license, is worth of $297, and again downsell of $97. This upgrade grants members the license to sell ecos as their own and keep 100% of the profits for themselves. So you are getting the right to keep it as your own and keep the 100% of the profits. The one-time offer number 6 is the passive income masterclass, which is worth of $47, and this again a downside of $27. This upgrade equips members with the skills to generate passive hands-free income through specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. And the one-time offer number 7 is the multiple streams of income masterclass, is again worth of $47 and $27. So these are the 7 amazing one-time offers that you guys can have access to. These are not compulsory, these are not mandatory. It's up to you whether you guys want to buy it or not. But if you guys think that this one of the one-time offers can help you in online marketing journey, then you can go for it, or otherwise the price of the product eco is $17. So now let's talk about the free bonuses that you guys can have access to from my side if you buy this product from my link. So if you have sticked with me till now, then thank you so much for it, I really appreciate it. So the bonus number 1 is going to be the your first sales funnel, which is worth of $299. So if you're an affiliate marketer or a digital product owner who aims to have a huge profitable product launch, then having an effective sales funnel will help you close more sales to your product. And the good news is that inside this product is a video tutorial that will guide you how to make a sales funnel for the first time in your internet marketing career. And the bonus number 2 is going to be the solo ad vendors, which is worth of $149. So this is a 7-part video training that will help you to discover one of the most powerful ways to get massive amounts of traffic and build a list of subscribers. And it will also teach you about the power of solo ads and how they can benefit you and your business. Bonus number 4 is going to be the launch anatomy, which is worth of $299, where you can learn how to make your product launch a success by setting up an effective JV campaigns. And the video inside you will see the main side of the components, the affiliate side, JV side, and the customer side, that will give you the idea how to approach these essential components. Bonus number 4 is going to be the how to keep your email subscriber, which is worth of $175. So building a list is not just your task that you have to take care of. There's the concern of how to make your list conversion increase, and most of all how to keep your list intact. If you look to other business model, then attrition is normal, but if you will handle your list quite well, then you can decrease its number and you can make more money from it. So this is what you guys will learn from this bonus. So these are the 4 amazing bonuses that you guys can have access to for free. So in order to claim this bonuses, what you guys have to do is, there will be a mail in the description box below. So you guys have to mail me and tell me that yeah, we have bought this product from your link. You guys have to send me the screenshot of your payment receipt, and after that I will be sending you all these 4 bonuses to your way. So that's pretty much for this video, guys. I have covered everything about this product, the price, the bonuses, the OTOs, the free bonuses from my side that you guys can access to for free. And according to me, what I liked about this product is that you guys don't have to create any content. You just have to pick up the video and you can turn it into a traffic magnet for your offers. And what else I can say is that buy this product only if you think that yeah, this is what I need right now and this is what can actually help me in my online journey. And I don't think that it's going to be that easy as this product says. You guys may have to create some of your own content as well. So if you guys want to have a look at it or you want to buy it, then there's a link in the description box below from where you can click on, and there's also an email below from where you guys can access to my free bonuses. So thank you so much for taking time and checking out my review video, and make sure to subscribe and like, as it really helps my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.